The 2026 Jeep Compass brings a refined, future-ready identity to the premium mid-size SUV segment, evolving both aesthetically and mechanically while retaining the rugged DNA that has defined the Compass nameplate since its debut. On the exterior, the new model gets a sleeker, more aerodynamic silhouette with a redesigned 7-slot grille that is now slimmer and more integrated with the revised LED headlamp units, which feature Jeep's signature DRL design for a modern, upscale appearance. The front bumper has been reshaped with sharper contours, a wider air intake, and stylish chrome or black accents depending on the variant, lending it a bolder stance. The side profile continues with clean body lines and squared-off wheel arches, now housing newly designed 18 or 19-inch alloy wheels, while the rear gets slimmer LED tail lamps with a smoked finish, a subtly reworked tailgate, and a fore-skid plate that reinforces its SUV character. Inside, the 2026 Compass gets a significant overhaul in quality and tech integration. Premium soft-touch materials now cover most surfaces, and the dashboard is dominated by a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running the latest Uconnect software, offering wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa integration, and over-the-air updates. A fully digital 10.25-inch instrument cluster complements the screen setup, and features like a wireless phone charger, ventilated and powered front seats, dual-zone climate control, panoramic sunroof, and ambient lighting add to the luxurious, high-tech feel of the cabin. The seats are now more contoured and supportive for long journeys, while rear seat passengers benefit from improved legroom and added USB-C charging ports. Under the hood, the 2026 Compass continues to offer the tried and tested 2.0-liter multijet diesel engine, tuned for better efficiency and lower emissions, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 9-speed automatic gearbox. Some international variants also feature a mild hybrid petrol engine or plug-in hybrid setup, hinting at future electrification for India. The 4x4 capability remains a core strength, especially in the Trailhawk variant, which comes with Jeep's Select-Terrain system, hill descent control, increased ground clearance, and segment-leading off-road dynamics. On-road dynamics have also improved, thanks to retuned suspension that offers a more planted, smoother ride while maintaining confident high-speed stability and sharp steering feedback. Safety has been given top priority, with 6 airbags standard, escape, traction control, TPMS, electronic parking brake, a 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning now available on higher trims. Jeep has also worked on NVH levels, with better cabin insulation making the new Compass quieter and more refined than ever. With its updated looks, tech-rich cabin, strong off-road chops, and now more sophisticated on-road manners, the 2026 Jeep Compass emerges as a premium lifestyle SUV for buyers who want rugged capability wrapped in luxury. It may be priced at a premium compared to some rivals, but for those who seek brand heritage, solid build quality, and real-world versatility, whether in urban chaos or unpaved adventures, the Compass continues to deliver a uniquely aspirational experience that few others in its class can match.